For Holy Week, nakahanap kami ng magandang hotel, ang Cocoon Boutique Hotel. Located ito sa Quezon City. Ano nyo ba? Ang Cocoon Hotel ay isang green hotel. And so, for only 4,000 plus at night, may kasama na itong 2 free breakfast. And kung may additional na heads kayo, pwede naman mag-request ng extra bed na may minimal charge lang naman. Ang pato, napakaganda. Wooden ang floors. Panels na bricks. Tapos, natural sunlight. Madami siya. And of course, ang water na binigay, sunod ng glass container na green hotel ito. Kukunti lang ang single-use plastic. May shower, may bathtub pa, and may blinds para medyo romantic. Sa 6th floor naman, located ang swimming at ang cafe. Ito ang Lola Abuela's Cafe. Dito rin ginaganap ang breakfast. Siyempre, nag-night swimming kami ng pamilya para medyong solo namin ang pool, although may konting tao lang naman. At ito na ang breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. for hash 650. Madami ka ng choices from breads o ensaymada to macaroons, a salad, may free-flowing coffee din. Dahil importante ang kape sa umaga, may hot choco and may tea rin. Meron din siyang egg station para kung gusto mo na pumili. Gusto mo na scrambled eggs at sunny side up. Kung gusto mo ng ibang choices ng mga savory dishes like bacon, tapa, meron din for an additional 400 pesos. At syempre, sinulit namin ang breakfast. We tried everything. Angel had the tuyo and rice. You had the bacon. I had potato soup and French toast.
Hello. Paalis na kami. Diba? Mio, wave. Bye.
Checkout was simple and a breeze. Kahit overnight lang kami, tumuli nag-enjoy kami. For 4,000 plus pesos, tatlo na kami, 2 free breakfast. I would say overall the stay was really great.